If you have one of these right here, one of these propane heaters, and it starts making a really terrible noise, like a loud, screeching, terrible noise that scares the shit out of you and makes you want to run and shut it off, yeah, go shut it off really fast. I'll tell you what causes that. Basically, as you run these for a while, these have a mesh, and that breaks up the gas coming up here. So the gas travels through here and comes out, and that fine mesh breaks up the gas and kind of atomizes it more, and then it ignites, and the ignition takes part on the outside of this screen right here. Well, when it starts screeching and making that crazy noise, which I haven't been able to catch on video, what's happening is it's pre-igniting. The gas is pre-igniting. You're getting pre-ignition, and what will happen as if you leave it on as it's making that psychotic loud noise, this will get red hot back here, and that's because gas is igniting further back in here. And what causes that is insufficient airflow. So this thing is naturally aspirated, and it pulls air through these holes down here. And after a year or two, I've been running this for years now in my dusty shop. And after a year or two, because this is always pulling air through it, these ports get filled with dust and debris. And what you have to do is if it's screeching repetitively, you shut it down, you let it cool down. You have to take super high pressure air and blow those out. You should have seen the cloud of dust that came out of this thing when I blew it out with like 100 psi of air. I blew through here on both sides, these little holes down here, and I blew through the front, and it was like, whoa, huge cloud of dust, and it hasn't done the screeching, terrible noise thing since. It's fine. I almost replaced this thing too. Also, make sure that this is adjusted right so that these ports are open. See, I got this little wing nut here, and I can move this up and down and give it more or less air. But that's the cause of that crazy noise, is it's not getting enough air. I hope this helps. I'll see you on the next one.